Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that you know all about the history, let's get into some mouth-watering recipes that you can easily make yourself. Let's cook. Processed foods debate. Not all processing is bad, but heavily processed nuggets raise concerns. Many commercial brands include fillers. Ingredients like soy protein or textured wheat stretch the meat but lower quality. Preservatives. Phosphates keep nuggets moist but may affect kidney health if consumed often. Artificial flavors. Some brands add MSG or synthetic seasonings to boost taste. The debate isn't black and white. Occasional nuggets won't harm most people, but relying on them daily might mean missing out on whole food nutrients. Healthier alternatives and brands. If you love nuggets but want better ingredients, try these swaps. Air-fried or baked nuggets. Organic or antibiotic-free brands. Homemade versions using ground chicken with almond flour or oats. Even small changes, like dipping in yogurt instead of sugary sauces, can make a difference. The key? Balance. Nuggets can fit into a healthy diet, just know what you're eating. Cultural impact and popularity. Chicken nuggets aren't just food, they're a cultural staple. They've shaped how we eat, how families bond, and even how fast food chains compete. Whether it's the nostalgia of childhood meals or the creative twists from around the world, nuggets have a hold on our taste buds and our memories. Fast food and chicken nuggets. Fast food chains turned chicken nuggets into a global obsession. McDonald's McNuggets set the standard, but rivals quickly followed with their own versions. The appeal? Convenience, consistency, and that addictive crunch. Key reasons nuggets dominate fast food. Universality. Menu flexibility. Customization. Beyond McDonald's, chains like Chick-fil-A and Wendy's have built cult followings around their nuggets. The competition keeps the format fresh, with some offering grilled versions or extra crispy coatings. Kid-friendly appeal and nostalgia. For many, nuggets are the ultimate comfort food. They're often the first, real, meal kids eat outside of purees, and that association sticks. The simple flavors, fun shapes, and dip-friendly design make them a childhood favorite. Why do nuggets dominate kids' menus? Predictability. Portability. Shared experience. Even adults cling to that nostalgia. Ordering a 10-piece at a drive-thru isn't just about hunger, it's a throwback to simpler times. Global twists on the classic nugget. Every culture puts its own spin on nuggets. While the base idea stays the same, bite-sized, breaded chicken, the flavors and techniques vary wildly. Some standout variations. Japan. Karaage-style nuggets, marinated in soy sauce and ginger. India. Nuggets coated in spiced chickpea flour or served with mint chutney. Brazil. Pops up at street fairs, often paired with lime wedges and hot sauce. Middle East. Shawarma-spiced nuggets with garlic sauce for dipping. Even plant-based nuggets have gone global. Beyond chicken and vegan versions in Southeast Asia use jackfruit or tofu to mimic the texture. The beauty of nuggets? They're a blank canvas. Whether it's a high-end restaurant serving truffle-infused nuggets or a food truck offering Nashville hot style, there's always room for reinvention. The future of chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets have come a long way since their fast food debut. But what's next? From eco-friendly swaps to bold new flavors, the next chapter of nuggets is already taking shape. Plant-based and lab-grown nuggets. Meatless nuggets aren't just for vegans anymore. Brands like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods have cracked the code on plant-based versions that sizzle, crisp, and even bleed like real chicken. The key? Pea protein, wheat gluten, and beet juice for color. Lab-grown nuggets are also entering the scene. Companies like Eat just use chicken cells to create nuggets without slaughter. Why this matters? Lower environmental impact. Appealing to flexitarians. Potential to reduce foodborne illnesses. Expect these options to get cheaper and more common in grocery freezers and restaurant menus. Sustainability in chicken sourcing. Regular chicken nuggets rely on industrial farming, which strains resources. But some brands are shifting to regenerative agriculture, farming methods that restore soil health and cut emissions. Changes to watch for. Free-range or pasture-raised chickens. Upcycling. Carbon-neutral processing. Fast food chains are feeling the pressure too. McDonald's pledged to source sustainable chicken by 2024, and smaller brands like Nugget market themselves as eco-conscious fixes. Flavor and texture innovations. Nuggets don't have to taste the same forever. Chefs and food scientists are pushing boundaries with global spice blends, unexpected coatings, dual texture nuggets. Even dipping sauces are evolving. Miso caramel, harissa mayo, or fermented black bean paste could replace basic ketchup. The bottom line? Nuggets will keep adapting. Whether it's a high-tech lab version or a grandma-approved homemade recipe, they'll stay on our plates, just in ways we haven't imagined yet. Chicken nuggets have earned their spot as a food icon, simple, satisfying, and endlessly adaptable. They bridge childhood nostalgia and modern cravings, proving that comfort food can evolve without losing its charm. From fast food staples to gourmet twists, nuggets show how versatile one idea can be. They fit into quick meals, global cuisines, and even future-focused diets like plant-based eating. The key to enjoying them? Mindful choices. Try homemade versions, explore global flavors, or opt for brands with cleaner ingredients. There's no wrong way to love a nugget, as long as it keeps you coming back for that perfect crispy bite. What's your favorite twist on the classic? Share your go-to recipe or dipping sauce combo. The next great nugget innovation might start with you. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.